Mathtopia is a place where math impacts every aspect of life. It is made up of 4 lands: subtraction, division, addition, and multiplication land. The land is set up on a coordinate grid, and there is a number line train track that runs along the X and Y axis. Each of the lands are located in different quadrants. Addition land is in quadrant 1, multiplication is in quadrant 2, subtraction is in quadrant 3, and division is in quadrant 4. Each land helps the other lands to solve problems that they have. The problems are solved by using inverse operations. The 4 lands work together to make Mathtopia a better place. Subtraction land. This is where the elderly go for the last part of their lives. They are welcomed warmly and live in peace. The death rates definitely affect the population in subtraction land, for the majority of the people here are older. This land is constantly losing and gaining residents because people die and new people come from other lands as they get older. Subtraction land's problem. As addition land expands due to people's want to get bigger houses and more stuff, subtraction land shrinks since addition land takes some of their land to expand. Subtraction land subtracts some of addition land's stuff, and the goods are donated to the people in division land. This helps addition land stop having to expand and helps the people in division land too.
Addition land. This is a place that's teeming with life. Most of Mathtopia lives here, and it's the biggest of the 4 lands. This is the land where families grow, meet, and live. There are many family-friendly neighborhoods here, and families live here while their kids go to school in multiplication land. They have plenty of belongings, and everyone is very friendly to others. Since their money keeps adding up, they often donate to division land, and the number of bankrupt and homeless people is getting smaller every day. Addition land's problem. Addition land has a problem with getting rid of stuff. It keeps adding up, and people keep asking for bigger houses, therefore filling up more and more land, and even taking some of its subtraction land. Subtraction land solved their problem by subtracting some of addition land's stuff and giving them more space. Multiplication land. All of the schools in Mathtopia are here. Kids go to school here and people go to college. There are lots of professors and scholars here, and people come here to multiply their knowledge. This land helps people in division land get back on track in life and get a new job. Multiplication land's problem. All the garbage in Mathtopia comes here and multiplies, and they use it to their advantage. There are many factories here. Multiplication land is thriving. They use garbage to power many factories. The only downside of that is that it creates a lot of pollution. Division land divides the amount of pollution over the 4 lands to balance it out.
Division land. This is a place where sadly many people get off track in life. But on the other hand, many different cultures live here, divided by walls. It is in some ways bad, but also very good because people get to live with their own culture and be very comfortable with the people there. The cultures here are very diverse, and they are not influenced by other cultures, so the cultures here are very unique. All the jails in Mathtopia are here. Division land's problem. It is mostly populated with criminals, people in debt, and homeless people. But it helps keep the criminal level very low in all 3 other lands, and it divides the pollution and thriving multiplication land among the 4 lands to balance it out. There are also many people who used to be criminals here, and they need help getting back on track in life. Multiplication land has many scholars and professors that help them find new jobs and get a new start.